द्वन्द्वम् भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितम् श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितम् श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयम् गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरम् वृन्दायै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवश्च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्वतै नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितला पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिशु भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज। नितला पृष्ठ ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिशु भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज। All Sri Rupan Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So we are hearing how to meditate of Krishna. तस्मात् केनाप्युपायेन मनः कृष्णे निवेशयेत्। Anyhow, our mind absorb in Krishna Swarup, attach. If proper way doing, that is the best things. But some are not good sanskar, not good sukritis. Like rajogunis, tamogunis. So any type, anyone, wrong way, right way, absorb to Krishna. That is auspicious. This normal way telling for everyone. Narad Muni saying, Tasmat Kanapupayam, Mana Krishna Nivesayam. Someone anyway attached to Krishna, after Krishna Bhaktis make him correct. Or who know properly attached to Krishna, they proper way follow, proper rules, regulation, then for them no problem. Here question coming, why our mind absorbs Krishna Swarup? Because this is our right. We came from Krishna, so we are for Krishna. When we our right not using, means we no love to Krishna, this is our anarthas. This is our problems. But this problem, life and life, this cause we are suffering. कृष्ण भूलि से जीव अनादिर बहिर्मुख अतव माया तार दे संसार आदि। We are long time, means when we start, no time, anadi. Actually Krishna's and Krishna's things all call anadi. This is achintyas. Actually, in Tattva saying Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidanand Vigraha Anadir Adi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Krishna is the Anadi. Krishna is the Adi. Krishna is the source. Krishna is the beginner of everyone. But no one beginning to him. He is himself manifest. But when Krishna manifests, that time everything manifests because all things in Krishna Swarup. So Krishna's and Krishna's things actually in Tattvas all are Anadi. So Jiva also Anadi. Because where Krishna's, there everything. Because in Krishna Swarupas, all are including, all avatars, everything, even Jivas Tattva, Maya Tattvas, this all depend to Krishna. But all Tattva, how adjustment, this is the Achintya. Ekameva Param Tattva, Swabhavik Achintya Saktaya, Swarup Tad Vaibhav, Rup Jiva Pradhan Rupena Chaturda Avastishtate. Krishna's, he is the one, supreme, Param Roop, Sarva Karan Karan. This is called telling Isvara Paramah Krishna. But that Param Tattva, by his inconceivable potency, himself, his Swarupas, means all avatars, Ram, Nirsingh, Vaman, or Pulsavatar, Leelavatar, Jugavatar, Saktyavyasavatar, Manmantra this all. Swamrup Tad Vaibhav Roop. Swamrup means Krishna. Is the Swamrup. Krishna Jate Khela Sarvotam Nar Lila Nar Bapu Tahar Swarup. Gopvesh Venukar Nav Kishore Natvar Nar Lila Re Hai Anurup. Krishna has many khela, means many swarupa manifestings. Tad Vaibhav Roop, Jivas, Mayas. But Krishna, when playing own swarupas, our own swarup saktis, in Golok Vrindavan, that is the topmost player, topmost Leelas. Sarvotam Nar Leelas. When his cowherd boys and Baraha Pidam Natavara Bapu Karnayo Karnikarang Vibradavas Kanakapisam Vaijantim Chamalam Randhran Venur Adhar Sudaya Purayan Gopa Vrinday Brindaranyam Sapadaramnam Paravisadgita Kriti. When Krishna is in Vrindavan Rang Manch is the topmost dice place of Leelas Krishna that called Vrindavan. On that Vrindavan, when coming that stage of Vrindavan, on foot when start to walk, Krishna's Leelas, no, not drama, he really playing, originally playing, not copying. So that is Sarvotam Leela. Narvap, Krishna Jate Kela Sarvotam Nar Leela, Narvapu Taharasa. When Narvat Leela is doing, that time he is bearing peacock feather, peacock crowns, Baraha Pidam, Natvar Bapu. That time he decorating on self like one player, one best actor. And that is his decorations like a nut, like drama players. Top putting one gamchas is also pitambar, and cow's rope, cow tying that rope, putting some on shoulder, some rope putting on head, like one to turban type, covering to that peacock feathers surrounding to that. Some rope putting on waist like belt. And Vrindavan has so many varieties of flowers. That flowers, like 5 type flowers, collecting like mangoes, manjaris, and some different type flowers, and making mala like juhi, beli, chameli, champa, rajnikandha, these different flowers. So this Vajanti malas wearing. This mala also his own style. Sometimes putting this side, sometimes putting this side. And one flower that called kaner, this flower one pick up, and one flower, but it's very stylish when walking on the stage of Vrindavan. Then sometimes this flower putting this here, then second time putting this here, sometime here, sometime there, and according to his acting, also his neck moving, sometime left, sometime right, sometime back, sometime up. And he looking all devotees, which are where, who are where. Giving darshan everyone, taking darshan everyone. And all are so happy looking his Leela. So happy. So Karnayo Baraha Pinang Natvar Vapu Karnayo Karnikaram. Vibhrad Vas Kanakapi Sambajantin Chamara. Randran Venu is putting on lips Venu, flute. And that flutes so much nectar giving. Vajan Randran Venu Radhar Sudhaya Purayan. Krishna Swarup full of nectar. Because he's Sachidanand. So thick. Sat, Chit and Anand. How much Krishna Swarup solid, that never liquid, never becoming thin. Many things came out from him, but he's already solid. Many sattas came from him, but his Swarupa sattas, not any damage. So much gyan, so much understanding coming this world from Krishna, but Krishna understanding, Krishna knowledge never become thin, light. As much can milk from there, but still he's solid. No become puffy. God means so ghanas, Satchid Anand. Anand so much thick. This is not like ordinary raining cloud. When rain drop, then cloud become white and no more rain. Krishna, as much rain, as much nectar come out from him, but he's still nectar, full of nectar, oceans of nectar. Or that nectar is giving to his devotees. His devotees, none different from Krishna. Krishna Swarupa has Anand, but who can this Anand realize? And who can return double than that? This because Krishna's own self not satisfied, he make many his bhaktas who can milk his mood and again return him and give double or triple and multiply many times. This because all Gopa, Gopis and cows, everyone, they are also Sachidanand. Anand Chinnameras Pratibhavitavi Istavhirja Eva Nija Rupataya Kalave. Goloka Eva Nivasat Akhilatma Bhuto Govinda Madipurusam Tamaham Bhajam. All Gopa Gopis, everyone, Anand Chinmay Ras Pratibhavita. They also, Sachidanand, Chinmay Ras, they also saw it. As much they can serve Krishna by mood, by bhav, but never become light, never become shortage. Because bhav is unlimited. Bhav never become less. So Krishna Sarupas, what mood coming, what bhav coming, each other increasing each other happiness. That bhav taking Krishna's pleasure more high, when Krishna tasting that pleasure, then bhav also going more high. Too much that taste. So that means Krishna, Sachidanand, so solid Sachidanand, but still that solid become empty, unlike to someone can give him ras, someone can give anand. For that is thirsty, that for that is lamenting. This is surprise. So Isvara, Krishna is Iswar, so powerful, he attractive everyone, he full of anand. But Parama, Jiva Goswami is saying Krishna when become Parama, Isvara Parama Krishna, is Param means when Para, when Krishna is without with Sarup Saktis, that time is Parama, that time is Para, because Sarup Saktis are Para. Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radhika Para Devata. Sarva Lachi Mai Sarva Kantim Sammohanim Para. Krishna is Param, but because he become Param top, because there's Para Sakti, Paras become Param. Without Saktis, Krishna's cannot be Para. That time he becomes just Nirvises, Nirakar, dilute, liquid, thin. But when with Sarup Saktis, that time is Para. So thick, so much is tasting to pleasure, happiness. Who are that? They are Sarupa Saktis, means Radhikas and all mood, like friends mood, Vatsal mood, Das mood. It's all mood surrounding to Krishna and giving Krishna so much pleasure. They are all Krishna's soul, Krishna's Sarupas. Nij Rup Taya Kalavi, Goloka Eva Nivasata, Akhilatma Bhuto. Akhil means all are Krishna's Atmas, Krishna's Sarup. None different from Krishna. So this way, Krishna's Sarup we can realize, we can meditate under his devotees. When Krishna Sarup meditate, then there must be devotees, then Krishna Sarup has no real darshan coming. If Krishna alone, then not so good darshan, but Krishna surrounding by gopis, cowherd boys, cows, gopis, Brajvasis, his devotees, that time his real Sarup coming out. That time darshan meditation is real meditation. इसको भागवतम many places Sukdev Goswami said. Tatra tisu svetavir Bhagwan Devaki Suta. Madhye mani nam Haiman nam Mahamarkato jata. Tasam avir bhuchori samay man mukham bhuja. Pitambar drasrag visachan man matha. Krishna's beauty is Tatra tisu svetavir Bhagwan Devaki Suta. Krishna's Bhagwan Devaki Nandan Sarva Karan. He's so beautiful, but still his beauty is more coming out when he's with devotees. So when gopis are surrounding to Krishna, that time Krishna's beauty more increasing, more beautiful. That time Krishna look like Madhye Haimanam Mahamarkatuja. Madhye Maninam Haimanam. In many gold monies. And inside gold money, one markat money, blue money. Like you make by gold some ring, like what called figure ring or any ring, on that gold put blue sapphire. Then this blue sapphire more look beautiful, because that putting in gold money is put to market money, then market money's beauty coming more up. If that market money, that blue put on iron or somewhere, maybe his beauty go down, because these beautiful things need some expensive valuable things, so they are put then more beautiful. A gopi's mood is very, very powerful. And in that mood when Krishna, then Krishna's real swarup coming out. That time looking sachat man matha, so beautiful. तत्र सुहेतावीर भगवान देवकी सुता मध्य मणि नाम हैमा नाम महामरकतोजत. So we meditate to that Krishna, who is the Ishwar, who is the controller of everyone. After shelter to Krishna, no need to shelter anyone, because where is full protections, all desire can fulfill. Then why we need to many sadhan, many God, many goal? Only one is enough, but that is Krishna. Because Shastra Siddhanta everywhere saying Krishna is the real shelter. He is the Param. Eko Basi. Krishna is only alone who can control everyone, who can nourishment everyone, who can give pleasure everyone, who can satisfy everyone. Only one can everyone take care, because he is Ishwar, Samarth, powerful. Is Param, topmost, is surrounding by Sarup Shaktis. This guy is very rich. Krishna is with Radhika. That means Krishna is very rich. Radha is Bhav Swarupas, Mahabhav. See, one glance put, then whole world can satisfy. Whole world can get that mood, that bhav, that sevas. This is Krishna's Param. Complete. All Shaktis, Vaibhav, Vibhutis, all Aishwarjas, no, all power, everything surround. Aishwarja Samagrasya, Brijasya, Jasasya, Sri Gyan, Vairag, Chaiva, Sannang, Bhagatyangan. All Aishwarjas doing Krishna's sevas. All avatars, all like Mahavishnu, Garbhodakta, this side, this all Purusha avatars are doing Krishna's seva. How much Krishna has opulence, how much he have position and power, how much he have area, place. Swayam tu samyati sayena tridhi saswaraj lachmaya apta samasta kama baling harad vichir lokapale kirit koti idit pad pita. Swayam tu samyati sayena. Krishna Swayam Ishvara Param Krishna ete chance kala punsa Krishna stu Bhagavan Swayam Indrari Vyakulam Lokam Madyanti Juge Juge. Krishna is himself Bhagavan, and all are ansas and kala, like Lila Avatar, Juga Avatar, Manmantra Avatar, Sakya Vesa Avatars. But Krishna is the leader of everyone, source of everyone. So saying he Swam manifest. So na Atisaya, na Samya. No one can be higher than Krishna. What is higher? No one can be same of Krishna. If someone cannot be same, then how can be higher? That means all are below from Krishna. No same, no higher. Na sama, na adhika. Swayam tu samyati say. Swayam tu samyati raj. स्वराज लक्ष्य में अल्लभ आप समस्त आत्म काम स्वयं तो साम्याति त्रिधीश त्रैधीश इस ऑल वर्ल्ड लाइक मथुरा वृंदावन मथुरा द्वारका एंड ऑल यूनिवर्स all avatars, all swarupas. He is everyone controlling. He is the master of everyone, controller of everyone. He has own place, Swaraj, that is Golok Vrindavan. He called Vrindavana Banipati. He called to Vrindavanadhis. Vrindavans. His kingdom, his country, his place, Rajya. So own Rajya, own Vrindavan. Swarajya Lachma. Swayam tu samyati stradhisa Swarajya Lachma apta samasta kama. He has own Raj, own country, own place. No one can take there any share, his own personal area. सहस्त्र पत्र कमलम गोकुलाख्य महत पदम तत् कर्णिकारं तद धामम तद अनंतांश संभवम. Krishna has own dham, Golok Vrindavan, Shwetadip, there he stay. He has own Lakshmi, queen. That is the leader of queen, that is Radhika. And she is not alone, many surrounding to her. All Lalita, Visakha, Chitra, Champa, Rang Devi, Sudevi, Tung Vidya, Indurekha, many Sakhis who can count, many dasis. They are all are Mahalakshmi Swarupa. Sriya Kanta Kanta Parama, Sriya Kanta Kanta Parama Purusa. All gopis are Mahalakshmi Swarupas. All are beloved. Krishna is the lover of everyone, his Param Purus Kant, beloved. Sriya Kanta Kanta Parama Purus, Bhumis Chinta Ganmai, Toyang Amritam, Vrindavan land, that is Chintamani Swarupas. Who can sit Vrindavan and what can think that will get. So who are sitting in Vrindavan by bodily or someone not by body, then can mindfully sit, think I am in Vrindavan. Divyad Vrindaran Kalpadrumad Srimad Ratnagar Singhasanustha. Sri Sri Radha Sri Govinda Devo Pristhali Visebya Mano Smarami. Who can remember this transcendental Vrindavan? Where is Bhumis Chintamani, where Singhasan, Radha Madhav sitting that made by jewels, Chintamani. Srimad Ratnagar Singhasanastha. Radha Govind where sitting, Sri Sri Radha Sri Govinda Devo, Prestha Libhi, many Sakhis are surrounding to them. Not just surrounding, they are doing many type of sevas. They are giving both too much satisfaction by own sevas. Some are chamar moving, some are peacock feathers, some are fan, some playing drum, some violin, some playing different instrument, different sound making, council, singing, dancing, making garland, making beetle, different type of fruits, different type of sweets, and many varieties of food. There are different gopis, different things carrying. Some hot kachori, samosas, puris, sabjis, different types, rice, kadhi, dal, different. They know artists, their niceness cooking. Our own sevas they are giving. So Prestha Livi Sevyamano. By many Sakhis are doing seva to Radha Govind. We remember to that in Vrindavan. So who cannot stay body, then can stay by mind. Mind should be in Vrindavan. And you remember this all. Divya Vrindaranya Kalpadrumada Srimad Ratnagar Singhasanastu Sisi Radha Sri Govinda Devo Prestha Livi Sevyamanosma. So remember. So that Isvara Paramakrishna is the controller of everyone. Swaraj Lakshmaya Apta Samasta Kama. He has own Rajya, own country Vrindavan, many Lakshmis, Gopis are doing seva. Apta Samasta Kama, his all desire fulfilled. Krishna's meaning too, he has all desire fulfilled, or who can fulfill another devotee's all desire. Both. Bhakta feeling Bhagwan desire, Bhagwan feeling Bhakta desires. So Bhakta and Bhagwan made for each other, none for anyone. So you like to understand Bhagwan, then have to be Bhaktas. Because Bhagwan relative only Bhaktas. Who are no Bhaktas, they have no any right to Bhagwan. Bhagwan is not them property. And they cannot control to Bhagwan. Only Bhaktas can control because there is Bhaktis. But that Bhakti should be Anukul. Narad Muni saying, anyway, meditate Krishna, this for general. Telling, if someone have no power, what can do? Some have no Sukriti, what can do? Then saying, okay, anyway, just remember to Krishna. But proper way, if you want to remember Krishna, then you have to shelter to devotees, shelter to bhaktis. Because without bhakti, we cannot meditate Krishna. Krishna's Sarup will not come. Without bhakta's mercy cannot. Because Bhagavan just understanding or remembering, or you can realize or you can enter only by bhaktis. Bhaktaya mam abhijanati javan chasmi tattvata tato mam tattvato gyatva vistetadantar. Many places this type birds came. Bhagavan we can know only by bhaktis. And bhaktis is the property of bhaktas. And bhaktas control to Bhagavan. Aham bhakta paradhin. Bhagavan himself telling, I am controlling by bhaktas. And topmost bhaktis where is staying, that is Radhikas. From her, all are doing bhaktis. If any Lakshmis, any Sarup Shaktis have some things, some mood for Sarva Krishna, this came from Radhika. All Lalitas, Visakha, all Sakhis are Kai Buha, they are desire of Radhikas. Radha Rani desire they came. Sadbhama, Rukmini, Sita, Durga, all Sarup Shaktis, they came from Radhikas. Because Krishna different Sarup, then different Sarup need to different Shaktis to serve. This is called Radhika's own self manifesting different Sarup Shaktis. So they are Radhika's name, Radhika's mood, Radhika's things, taking and according to Sarupas, they are servicing to them. Or rather in own self service to Krishna. Or alone she not satisfied, then she making many sakhis and giving Krishna so much happiness. Or making Krishna's param, topmost. Because Any Swarupas know this type love. They love Swarup Shakti, but they cannot love more than Radhika's. So Radhika love, Radhika's affection, Radhika's service, Radhika's mood make Krishna's param. His real Swarup coming there. He becoming supreme personality, param, sachat, manmat, manmat. राधा संगो जदा भाति तथा मदन मोहन अन्यथा विश्व मोह स्वयं मदन मोहित. Krishna स्वयं called Madan Mohan when is with Radhikas. That time is how much beauty is coming is Swarupas out. When Kamdev looking is faint in Ras Leelas, when Kamdev came, then Kamdev faint because Krishna was with Radhikas. At that time, Krishna, how attractive, how beautiful, how sweet. Kamdev cannot stand up, he faint, cannot show own power, cannot be bewildered to Krishna, he bewildered by Krishna. So saying when Krishna with Radhika, then Madan Mohan destroyed to Kamdev, bewildered to Kamdev Cupid. Or if alone, then he himself bewildered. Swang Madan Mohita. If no Radhika, that time is crying, rolling on earth. Luntati tajati bitane. Krishna's leaving home, leaving cows, leaving cowherd boys, no remember anyone, on just rolling on ground. And no more beauties. All Sris, all is knowledge, all understanding, all Bhagavatas, everyone. Where going, he don't know. So Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. His Param and his Sachidananda Vigraha. He before had Krishna Swarup so ghana, so thick sattas. You can see how many things came Krishna Swarup, how many sattas, all Golok, Vrindavan, all Vaikunthas, and all material world, many things. It's all Krishna's sattas. Krishna's knowledge, you can see that knowledge like one drop this world, or how much knowledge, how much line of knowledge we cannot see, because we are whole life, one line cannot complete whole knowledge. Many lines like engineer line, doctor lines, and fighting line, and this many different course of knowledge. We cannot one course, one knowledge complete. Or that is like one drop. Krishna is the oceans of knowledge, thick knowledge. So Satchit Anand, and too much Anand, Sachidanand Vigraha. How much Krishna Swarup have, just one Krishna Swarup meditate, then separately no need to get anything. In Krishna Swarup have so much, all sattas, all opulence. Where you can see, you go to feet, look how much there are sattas, opulence, how much their beauties, how much they are tasting things. This cause Jad Pada Pallav Sekharesu Lila Sayang Rasam Labate Jayasri Chinta Mani Jayati Som Girir Gururume. In Karna Mirth, Kavi Bilva Mangal Thakur is saying Jad Pada Pallav, Krishna's lotus, 10 fingers like lips, or that lips top is no nail shining, that nails just one nail ray, when rather than looking, then she no remember this world anything, just looking to that. and fully surrender to that. Fully taste, fully ras, fully anand getting from that. So Krishna Swarup, how much have ras? Lila Sangrasam Labhte Jayasri. Jayasri Swarupa Sri Radhika's too much ras getting. So this time many slokas, many bird, how much we can tell. This is like oceans. So Sachidananda Vigraha, Krishna, so much opulence is Swarupas. In feet, in knee, in waist, in belly, in chest, face, hair, everywhere Krishna's no sattas, opulence. This is like anywhere our eyes go, control. You no remember anything. Because we know thinking about Krishna, this cause many things coming in mind to remember. But thinking this is the property, but actually this is nothing. This is very light. What is material world, happy or anything? This is very light. Like we cannot realize what is taste. It's like one drop of water on top of lotus petal or lotus leaves, or on grass, a little hot coming. When this dry, we don't know. So material pleasure like this type, one drop. We are waiting for that this one drop I will taste. But before tasting, some heat coming and dry. Some side comes, some disturbance comes, some problem come, and that taste dry, no more taste, like poison. One know this Vidyapati knows Tatal Saikad Bindus Bari Bindusam, like very heat sand, on that heat hot sand like June month, and sand is so heat, and there one drop water dropping, and how dry that water, how become vapor in second. So this world's all happiness, pleasure like that. People are thinking, I have children, I have families, I have wife, husband. So I have so much. But this all are now one drop. When this will finish, when this will go, no time, no one know. So this all Sutta Vita Mitra Sabha, this properties, friends, family, this don't believe. These pleasures, not non-pleasure. Like who are so much greed for honey, they not care honey bees what will do. They forcefully like take honey from there. But honey bees also so much collecting, so hard labor. So they also not want to give easy to that honey. Or if forcefully go to take that honey, then these bees are attack, and your face make 5 number. If 5, 10 bees will bite, then after it, no one can recognize who are you. Too much pain, too much suffer. So this world like this, any honey we like to taste, then too much Maya attack, make trouble, and too much pain giving. But still this man who are greed for honey, as much bite, still is collecting honey, try to waste. We are also same way doing this world. As much problem, as much disturbance, as much attack by Maya, but still We like to go behind Maya. Why? Because we thinking more than that what? We have no any idea more than this have something exists this world. That is Krishna Swarup, that is Krishna Bhakti, that is Krishna's Kathas, that is Krishna's Nam, Gun, Roop, Lila. But we have no so much Sukrutis. So no field test. Mahaprabhu saying, this is my Durdaev. This is my unfortunate, this is my aparad. Nam nam kari bahuda nija sarva saktis statrar pita niyamita smarane na kala. Etadrisi kripa bhagwan mamapi durdaiva midrisi mihajani nanuraga. You have so many names. Names and Krishna Swarup, none different. Krishna's name same. And many varieties of names. Many types of name. And every names, they are full, complete. All your Swarup Shaktis putting to there. Tatrarpita, Niyamita. Smarane na kala. How much your mercy. Chanting Krishna name, remember to Krishna, no time, no limit, no rule regulations. When you like, that time start. Daytime, night time, evening, morning. Bhagavan giving so much facilities, so much mercy. But we no like to this, no attach. This is our Durdev, bad luck. On which thing we are doing, so much pain, so much suffer, so much disturbance, so much rules. This thing we like to follow. But Krishna's, how mercy, no rule regulation. Anyway, chant Krishna name. Eating time, sleeping time, walking time, any time. Khaite suite jatha tatha naam lay. Desh kal vichar nahi sarv siddhi hai. Hari naam have no problem. Anywhere, any country, anyone. Hari naam out of rule regulations. Only rules, always remember, don't forget. Bhagavad Bhaktis, Krishna Swarup meditation, only one rule. Always remember, don't forget. This is the proper rule. They are all rule regulation, including inside. Asmartavyam sattam Vishnu, na vismartavya jatu chit, iti vidhi nisedha syur kinkara. Always remember to Krishna, don't forget for a moment. Inside all vidhis and nisedhas, everything is there. So Krishna is so merciful. That Swarupas manifest this world. Swayam tu samyati saitradhisa swaraj lakshma apta samast kam baling haradvi chir loka palay kirit koti idit pad pitha. Baling haradvi chir loka palay. So Krishna himself satisfied, no need. But still devotees, demigods are giving Krishna's baling haradvi chirlok kapale. All lokpals, all digpals, all demigods like Indra, Varun, Kuber, Brahma, Shivas, everyone offering Krishna's own mood, own bhav, own things, doing pranam, Brahma, Sivas, everyone, Krita, Koti, Idita, Pada, Pitha. So we remember to died Krishna. Who's Krishna? Everyone surrendering, everyone remembering. This is our life, this is our goal. If we not do like that, then we become ungrateful. Why? Because Krishna is our soul. We are anything doing because Krishna, his Shaktis. Then, if I not remember to die Krishna, then how much ungrateful? If Krishna ever switch off, if his soul go out from this body, or if stop his conscious, then what we can do? So he's the eternal, Nityam Nityanas Chetanas Chetananam. He's the Anadir Adi, he's the cause of everyone. He's conscious of everyone. He's the father of everyone. Like manifest everyone. Source of everyone. This cause everyone should love Krishna. If no love, then become akritagya. In Tattvas, he is our real mother, father, everything. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva vidya darvinam tvameva. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva bandhu cha sakha tvameva. Tvameva vidya darvinam tvameva sarvang mama deva deva. So Krishna is the mata, Krishna is the father, Tvameva mata cha pita, Tvameva bandhu cha sakha Tvameva. Krishna is the friend, he is the wealth, he is the everything. Tvameva vidya, he is the knowledge, he is the understanding. Sarvasya chaham hridhi sannivishto, mati smriti jnanam apahonam cha. Vedyascha sarver ahameva vedyam vedanta krita veda videva chayaham. So Krishna is the soul. Krishna is everything. Without his power, we cannot do anything. We no understand anything. We cannot move 1 inch. So if no do bhajan died Krishna, no remember to died Krishna, no say jai ho, then why be carrying this body? Why carrying this all senses? What right if this is not used for Krishna? This is Mahaprabhu saying, my all senses useless, unnecessary I am carrying like dry wood. Sri Krishna Rupadi Nisevanam Vina Vyarthani Mindriya Aho Pasana Suskindhan Bhar Kanaho Vibhrami Bhaktani Katham Hatatrapa. I am shameless. Without Krishna's Nam Gun Roop Lila Kathas, meditating, no doing seva of them, and I am carrying this whole body, this all senses, my ear, my eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, hand, feet, this whole body, whole senses, what? Why? Why I'm carrying? If hand is not doing Krishna Seva, feet is not doing Krishna Seva, no doing parikrama, eyes not darshan, mouth not speaking Krishna name kathas, no tongue tasting his prasad, ear not hearing his katha, nose not smelling his fragrance, then all senses why? In Shastra too much criticized about diet. Below bato urukrama vikramanva विक्रमांजय न सिर्नवतो कर्ण पुटे न रस्य जिह्वा सती दारदुरी केव सूता नो चोप गायत उरुगाय गाथा भारह पर कृपट जुष्टम उत्मांगम न नवेन मुकुंदम सावो करो न कृत सपर्जम हरे लसद कांचन कंकन कांचनोवा तद अस्मसारम हृदय बतेतम जद कृच्छमाने हरि नाम ध्येय नम विकृताद जथा विकारो नेत्रे जलम गात्र रुहे सुहर्ष पादो निर्नाम तो दुर्म जन्म भाजो क्षेत्रानि ननु वर्जते हरे रयो श्री विष्णु पद्य मनुज तुलस्य स्वसन छबो जस्तु न वेद गंध if our head not doing pranam for Krishna, then this head is not head, this is a headache. This is like burden. This is like 10 kgs, 20 kgs weight. We are carrying always 24 hours. But if pranam, then head is success. Head is not successful. Many people thinking head means nice decoration, put crown, put turban, big pagadi, saying this is weight, this is burden. Head decoration, when head going to Bhagwan's feet, Guru Vaishnav's lotus feet, your head touching, then head is head. Really. Head means no main part of body. Or if main not surrender, then all another senses cannot surrender. So head means surrender to Bhagwan, do to Pranam. Guru Vaishnav's Bhagwan doing Pranam, remembering to them, then head is head. Bhara parakribad utmangam na naped mukunda. Bilo bato urukrama vikramanjay na sirnavate karna pute narasya jihva sati darduri ke vasuta. In ear, if no Hari Kathas going, then this is hole. 2 hole, big hole. And hole, who is staying? Some snakes, some animals, some material things. If this ear not hearing Hari Katha or something else hearing some criticism, hearing this, that, then this is just whole. No meaning. Tongue now speak to Krishna's, then this tongue also like frog tongue. Because when Krishna Kathas speaking, Krishna Nam speaking, Krishna Prasad testing tongue, then tongue life is success. Otherwise, if tongue just unnecessary thing talk, we are whole world thinks many things talking, no meaning. You can see when frog is speak, just we can hear what is speak. Trr, trr, trr. What meaning? Nothing. tie, fish, this type speak, then no meaning coming. Meaning coming when proper sentence, proper word. So if no Krishna Katha, no Krishna Nam, or is something speaking, that is like tie, fish. Tar. This not give any benefit. But too much create problem. When frog too much tar doing, half hour, 1 hour. The sun go distantly on somewhere. Snake is staying in bill in hole. He heard, and then he start to walk and coming behind and taking to that frog like breakfast, morning breakfast. So we are like this type turtle doing too much unnecessary. And time, death is the snake. Death is capturing everyone. All are ready for die. All are in line. Maybe some are 2 days, some are tomorrow, some are 10 days, 1 month, 10 years, 50 years, 100 years. But everyone in line. So we are not fear, we are not thinking what to do. Just doing like frog. Also frog knows so much. Like any animals, too much like to own food, own enjoy. Even sometime living body, but still before living, they like some taste, some enjoy. This is our practice, our habit. So when a snake come and catching to frog already mouth of a snake, already 90% slow him, and maybe 10% his mouth is outside, because backside catching or eating, but still frog mouth is out of snake mouth. 10 seconds have time to go fully inside his stomach. At that period, a small mosquito, small some insect came near to mouth of frog. Frog is after 10 seconds have to live, they die. But before 10 seconds, he no like to live that enjoyment. Before going snake mouth, he like to catch to that insect, that mosquito, or like to eat. Already frog eaten by snake, already is ready to die. But before death, last moment he likes something, eat, some enjoy. We are also same way doing. We like last moment some enjoy, and even 90 years old, 100 years old is still. Shankaracharya was saying we have so much desire, too much we like, fulfill our desire. Angam galitam palitang mundam dasan vihinam jatam tundam वृद्धा जाति घृतवा दंडम तत्पिन मुंचति आशा पिंडम भज गोविंदं भज मूढ़ मते. All bodies become like ripe. A snake is hanging like 90 years old. So all all bodies, all what called muscular, muscle, like all bodies muscular, everything's becoming loose, no more tight. What called no muscular, no muscles. So angam galita means all muscles hanging. Angam galitam, palitang mundam, all hair become gray, but still painting. No teeth, all teeth out, but now doctor is not too much arranging. Now teeth you can purchase, dentist. That is more nice than original teeth. Sometimes people original teeth like break out on artificial food. This all planning doing. How can long live? Old age came, stick came in hand, glass came, but they also throwing glass, niceness operation. And for body maintenance, niceness medicine, eating chamanpras, many things. But their own plan, own desire, not living. Thinking this thing happened, this will happen, this more will come, this time getting, this I will get, this I in share market keeping, this all day night looking how much going up and down. This many desires. No one, they no live like that. This is our Durdev, bad luck. So who remember Krishna's, then this all unearth is going. Bhakti is coming and all auspicious coming, all bad things going. This is only way, no any another way. You like to purify, you like to auspicious, you like to good, like everything Mangal, then we remember Krishna. Krishna's Naam, Krishna Gun, Krishna Roop, Krishna's Lila. मधुर मधुर में तन मंगलम मंगलानम सकल लिंगम बलि सत्फलम चित स्वरूपम सकीर्दपि परिगीतम सरधया हेलया वा भृगु वर्णर मात्रम तारेत कृष्ण नाम. Krishna Swarupas, Krishna's Naam, so auspicious, Mangals, all Shastras, Nichod, Siddhantas. So if one time with affection, with faith or unfaith, anyway, if anyone remember Krishna's Swarupas, Krishna's name, they must liberate, go to Golok Vrindavan, or according to own mood will do seva. So how much Krishna remembers, powerful. Anyone can purify. Apavitra, pavitro va sarvastham gatopi va jasmaret pundri kancha sabahya bhayantara suti. All Krishna's thing who remember, they ought inside purify. Not just purify, he can purify another people. This is many Krishna Swarupas things, we can remember many slokas. We recite more next class, how Krishna's look. Himself, Krishna own Swarupas, bewildered. Himself, he like to own Swarups, taste, touch, embrace. Then how is beautiful? Or if some that Swarupas, if remember on mood, like the Soda mother when remembering Krishna's, idante mukham bhoja avakta nile vritam kuntale snigdha raktascha gopya muhus chumbitam bimba rakta dharang me manasya virastam alam lachhala. When the Soda mother and gopis are remembering that Krishna, idante mukham bhoja avakta nile vritam kuntale snigdha raktascha gopya muhus chumbitam bimba rakta dharam manasya virastam alam lachhala. These Swarupas, whose Jasoda mother lap on whose Radhika's right side is standing, if that Swarupas come our meditation, then million billion profit we don't want. What need any profit, any love? This is the topmost love. Jab labdha chapram lavam manyate na tatodhikam jasmin sito gurunam api dukkham na vichalya. Krishna's love, Krishna's this all Nam Gun Rup Lila Kathas getting, this is the big profit. On this profit, million billion profit, we don't want. Alam Lakchala. Live, no need. One love is the best. Many love have to lose. But Krishna love, Krishna profit never lose. This more increasing, multiplying. So one love, this our life's only one love, that is Krishna meditation. कृष्ण कृष्ण स्वरूप सम सब चिंतन वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधु भयवच पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो। सुंदर आयते चुराई लैल जियरा, माधव चांद से नैन चकोर हो गईल, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गईल, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर हो गईल, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गईल, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर हो। सासनन दे हम के रोकल, ससुर देवर बार बार टोकल, सखी पिया से तकरार हो गई, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गई, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर। घर द्वार सखी सब बिसारी वो, लोक लाज भयत जीवो, राधा माधव में अनुराग हो गई, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गई, बांसुरी सुन के मन भी। सास खीजत ननद गरियावत, सौतन हमरे हंसिया उड़ावत, कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण सिंगार हो गई, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गई, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर। जीवन बीतल जौवन बीतल, रो रो अश्रु जल वस्त्र भींजल, अंजन बड़ा इंतजार हो गई, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गई, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर। सुंदर आय के चुराई लैल जियरा, सुंदर आय के चुराई लैल जियरा, माधव चांद से नैन चकोर हो गई, मुरली सुन के मन मयूर हो गई, बांसुरी सुन के मन विभोर। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय राधे जय कृष्ण, जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम, कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि, श्री गुरुदेव की जय, सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय।